Greetings children. Today's 20 word is systemic problems. Systemic is the word we are going to study today. What is this systemic problem? A problem that cannot be solved in isolation. A problem that is caused by different factors. By solving one among them, we cannot solve the entire problem. Such problems can be represented with the word systemic problems. Let us move. Any kind of system can experience systemic problems. So, any kind of system can experience systemic problems. For example, crime is a systemic problem in a community because it affects everyone from individuals to families, businesses, tourism, and the well-being of society and so on. This kind of learning new words that definitely will help you to enrich your writings, especially in your academic performances and when you speak in front of others. So this is one use of that phrase systemic problem. Crime is a systemic problem. Come to the next. Global warming is a systemic problem. Several factors that affect it. So here also you can use the phrase systemic problem, because global warming is not due to any single factor. There are so many factors that come together and that creates global warming. So we can definitely say that global warming is a systemic problem because several factors that affect it. Look at the other uses of systemic. Something that is systemic affects all parts of something, affecting the entire system. That is systemic. That affects all parts or the entire system. Look at the example sentence. A systemic illness affects your whole body or an entire system like your digestive system. This is systemic. A systemic illness that affects your whole body or an entire system like the digestive system. It doesn't affect only one part. If it is systemic, it affects an entire system. Let us learn the synonym and antonym of systemic. The synonym for systemic is holistic, and antonyms are topical or endemic. Endemic means that is pertaining to a particular area, like topical, the opposite of systemic. Systemic means holistic, that affects the entire, and topical or endemic are the exact antonyms for systemic. Now let us check some related words. Absolute, full-fledged, toto. Toto also means absolute, totality, unabridged, to the last. These are related words with systemic. For more such 20 words to improve your writing, to improve your speaking skill, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the 20 word series.